Good day, ma'am. I am Jel Villamor. So we're going to demonstrate the procedure of nail care. The first thing you need to do is you need to wash your hands, then consult your client. After that, we need to use the cutter to cut the nail of our client. After that, we need to use the nail file to shapen the nail. Then we need to use the pusher to push back the cuticle. Then we need to use the brush to clean the hair. Then the buffer to soften the nail. After that, brush again. Then we need to use the martile.
Lagyan mo na.
Then brush. After that, since our client is a Muslim, we need to use only the colorless. Then we are done. Here's the apron kita. Okay na. Thank you.